I said smooth as butter, put this thing back in with WD-40.
Oh, frick yeah, that's all she needs. New box for old Elsa. Probably spent the good part of an hour getting all the bolts heated and WD'd out. But that's what happens when a truck's 16 years old. Old gold member, maybe getting some flares. Maybe. We'll see. The motivation for this truck tends to hit an all-time high and an all-time low depending on the week. Project truck. Imagine just driving it around like that. And Elsa gets a lot closer. Pardon? Doing it for the video. Wild. Wild.
We want to see if maybe Mark can move that.
Final product, the box being on old Elsa. Looking fucking mint. Oh yeah, this is the side. Always passenger side on all my trucks too. That looks great. That's a good angle. Man, that's a big difference. That's awesome. Can't go wrong with that. Old Goldie even got a little wash up. The once in a month